Rob Bernstein. This is a clip from my podcast, COVID and Schools. The entire podcast is available on anchor.fm/Rob Bernstein. Enjoy.
Many protocols in place using all of those guidances. Staff are all wearing masks. It's an enclosed center. So we opened up. We're following the protocols every single day. Temperatures are taken for every child. 10 questions, COVID-related questions, are asked every single day. If anyone has any sign of illness, they are excluded for 3 days. And if that illness doesn't resolve, say they have something more than a head cold, they need to go to the doctor, get tested, and they cannot return until they have a clear test. And that's happened a couple of times that someone has a sore throat, and knock on wood, no one has come back with a COVID positive test. So hand washing, mask, lots and lots of sanitation throughout the building, maintaining pods that each classroom stays together. Each group of teachers stays with their class. There is no mixing of staff between rooms. There are no mixing of children between rooms. You keep it stable. They go to the playground separately. They clean up after they're done with their playground. Everything is separate with the small group of children. The other thing that we started is in May, groups were allowed to be 8 children. Then it went to 10 children, and it's gone to 15. We are still under 15, primarily running at about 9 or 10 children per group. We've shortened the hours to be able to make sure we have all the staff to maintain that separate care, but it's also being able to monitor the health and safety, temperatures, and all of those COVID checks throughout the course of the day. It is a process all day long, every single day, to be able to do it.
Wow.
And parents are on board for it. So the more parents that came and found out what we were doing and how we were managing it, the more comfortable they're feeling with it.
If I looked at that classroom, would it be a normal classroom? Are the kids interacting and socializing together?
They're interacting and socializing. They're keeping distance. They're keeping smaller groups.
Still.
Yeah. So if they're eating, they are eating apart from each other. If they are napping, they are napping apart from each other. Do they play games together? Yes. If anyone touches toys and things like that, things are washed immediately and sanitized. A lot of sanitation going on. And they know how to do it. So they, throughout the hallways, we've got 8-foot markers, and they walk in a line keeping their distance. They're very smart. I think a lot of times I'm hearing parents are panicked that their kids are not going to be able to maintain the protocols. Yes, they can.
That's interesting. And these are little kids.